absolutely amazing day. Thank you for being here, and if you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. But I am so excited. I did an order and a package arrived today, and I cannot wait to show you guys what is in here. For those of you that watched my most recent TJ Maxx haul, you saw that I got my first Too Faced palette, eyeshadow palette, and it was the chocolate bonbon. And after one use, I'm like hooked. So I still love Tarte, but Too Faced has won me over currently. So I placed an order and I have a new palette to share with you guys. I am super excited, but I actually got a really good deal. I got the Too Faced Matte Chocolate Chip palette and the full-size Better Than Sex mascara, which I actually love. And I know that I have heard so many people, it's kind of a hit or miss. You either love it or hate it. I happen to love it. So when I saw that a full size came with this and it was like $39, I was like, absolutely. So I'm going to open this palette because I can't wait to actually see it in person. So it looks like it is taped. We're gonna open it. So there we have that. Oh, you guys, I love it. And it smells like chocolate. Beautiful colors. Let me do this upside down. It's just easier. So beautiful, and definitely able to create some amazing looks with these being matte shades. Because a lot of my eyeshadows and palettes are shimmer and glitter because I prefer that, but for, you know, transition and different things, these will be amazing. So I'm very happy about that. And thankfully, because my palette collection has grown, this will not take up that much space. And then we have the full-size Better Than Sex mascara. Let's see. It is taped as well. There was another palette that I saw that I really wanted, that I used Restrain and did not order it. Doesn't mean that I may not in the future. There were actually two, and they're both new releases for the holiday season. But here is the full size. That is, I've only ever had like a sample. That is a big thing of mascara. And I love the brush. So big and fluffy. So I am super excited to have that. So that really, you guys, that is it. That is I just wanted to share with you guys because I have truly become so in love with the Too Faced eyeshadows, and I found, like I said, the matte chocolate chip palette with the full-size Better Than Sex mascara for like, I think $39, something like that. So I thought it was a great deal. I had a $10 off coupon, so it made it like $29. So that was even better, and I'm just like, yes. So just keep looking for deals out there, you guys. I actually found this on hsn.com, Home Shopping Network. Never thought I would order anything from there, but they've got some great deals, and like I said, because it was the first time I purchased it, I did get a $10 off coupon, so amazing. And the shipping was really fast because I just placed the order, I don't know, 3 or 4 days ago. So I mean, it came in really quick. So that that's it, you guys. It was a quick, short little video, but I did, like I said, want to share it with you guys and let you know about, if you have not shopped with HSN, hop on there and check and see. They've got tons of great things, and like I said, there's 2 other things on there that I'm really eyeing, so maybe we'll have some future videos with those. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.